Hey there, what's up everyone? This is Sergio with Serg Unlimited, and this is actually the first video of the channel. So thank you for stopping by and watching, especially since it's the first video of this new channel, which is like a new journey that I'm going to embark on now. Some of you watching this may already know that I do have another YouTube channel, and at this current moment I have over 300,000 subscribers on it. However, I've been wanting to make this channel for quite some time now, so I decided to get started on it. It's better now than never. And yes, I do understand that I'm gonna have to start from zero, and it's gonna take a lot of work and a lot of time to grow this channel, but this is something that I am definitely ready for, because the way I see it, this channel is gonna be something that I'm gonna enjoy doing videos for, so hopefully that will make it feel like it's not that much work. And that's where I come to the point of this video. Since this is the first video, I just wanted to make it kind of like an introduction video with a statement to it. So the title of this video is Purpose Over Money. So I decided to give it this name because I think it's very important to be clear on what your purpose in life is, or at least the purpose on what you're working towards. And the reason I say this is because time and time again, it has been proven to me that it's not the money that's gonna bring you fulfillment and satisfaction in life. Although, don't get me wrong, the money does help out a lot. And whether you like it or not, it is something that is needed in society in order to live. So obviously, the more money, the better. But that should not be your end goal. That should not be why you are working or doing what you are doing. The money should be a byproduct of what comes to you for whatever value it is that you're giving to the world. So that being said, you shouldn't be focusing on the money, because at the end, that's just gonna stress you out. What you should be doing is, you should be enjoying the process of whatever it is that you're doing. You should be working on something that you are actually passionate about, because in the end, what's gonna bring you fulfillment in what you're doing is not the actual money that you get from it. What's gonna bring you fulfillment, or at least to me, is that you're actually really good at what you're doing and that you're enjoying the process of what you're doing. Because if you're not enjoying the process, you're just pretty much slaving away for money, and that's not my definition of a good life. So that's why I decided to make this my first video, because it has a nice title to it, has a lot of meaning to it. Hopefully whoever's watching this gets something important from it. I mean, that's gonna be the main goal of this channel, is just to provide value and hopefully help you that's watching improve your life in one way or another. So this channel is gonna be about what I am passionate about. So it's gonna be about financial freedom. That's something that I'm also very passionate about. I love financial freedom because I remember a few years ago when I was working so that I can get to the point where I wouldn't have to trade my time for money anymore, and I can just have automatic passive income coming in on an every day-to-day basis. And that's at the point where I'm at now. So I decided, why not take advantage of this and actually do something that I enjoy doing now. And what that's gonna be is, it's gonna be making videos teaching you guys now how to create financial freedom for yourselves as well, so that you can do whatever it is that you want with your life, not have to trade your time for money neither. And making money and finances has always been a topic that I have always been super passionate about. So I think I'm really gonna enjoy making videos on this topic, because it's something that I'm passionate about, and because I feel like it's something that's actually gonna provide value and hopefully help others in their life as well. That just has more meaning to me. So that being said, the other reason I wanted to make this is because I want to show you guys that are maybe thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you haven't done so yet, because you say that there's too many people online, there's too much competition, we're in 2020, all the excuses out there. I want you to just eliminate all of them, because if I have created another channel up to around 300,000 subscribers, and I'm going to start a brand new one at zero now just because of passion for this new topic, there's no reason why you shouldn't start a YouTube channel as well. If it's something that you've been thinking about, I think now is the perfect time to start. Like they say, the best time to have started was 5 years ago. The second best time is now. And yes, I do have a benefit, which is that I have a lot of experience now since I have been creating videos for a few years. But nonetheless, all the information, knowledge that I have is free for you on YouTube. You could search whatever it is that you're trying to learn, and within a matter of seconds, you can find the information that you're looking for. So the knowledge that I have gained over the past few years creating videos is going to help me out a bit, but you can obtain knowledge as well just by learning along the way. But the main important thing is going to be consistency. Just like in anything else in life, if you want to succeed in YouTube, you will have to stay consistent. I would suggest on a day-to-day basis, upload one video every single day, because there's a lot of other people uploading videos, and if you slack, you're gonna stay back. So consistency, and learn along the way what keywords you should stick to and base your channel around. The more videos you upload containing those keywords, YouTube and Google will help you to rank higher up in the search engine for those search keywords, and in that way, over time, you will begin to get more and more views from those keywords keywords that you create your videos based on. So it is going to take some time, but I'm going to make sure that we enjoy the process. All right, everyone. So thank you for watching this first video. Go ahead and give it a like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for the upcoming videos. And as always, peace.